Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check that your LG TV lists Screen Share, Miracast, or AirPlay in settings. Once done, make sure both the TV and your phone or PC are on the same Wi-Fi network and that signal strength is good. Now enable Wi-Fi and locate the screen mirroring control on your device. On Android, it's usually Cast or Smart View. On iPhone, use Control Center screen mirroring. Start the discovery step so the TV can appear in the device list. Next, choose the LG TV from your device's casting or screen mirroring list. You should see the TV model name appear. When the TV shows a connection prompt, accept it or enter the numeric code displayed on screen to pair securely. If the television doesn't auto-switch to the Screen Share app, manually open the Screen Share input or the Smart Share app on the TV so the incoming stream is routed correctly. Make sure device orientation and volume settings are set before playing media. To finish, optimize quality by setting the correct resolution and audio output on either the source device or the TV so video and sound stay synchronized. If you experience lag, stuttering, or sudden disconnects, restart the router, the LG TV, and your phone or PC, then reconnect. If problems persist, try a wired HDMI connection to isolate wireless issues, and make sure both device firmware and TV software are up to date. Updating often fixes compatibility bugs and improves stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.